Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. This month's character craft is Bluey. So, your kit is going to come with some bingo toast recipes. B for Bluey, so we can learn our letter B. A Bluey template, and it's going to also come with a toilet paper roll, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like and what you have to do. Then we also, for our educational, we have some shapes. So what you can do is cut out these squares and match the shapes. Like, which of these are round? Is it a book, a yield sign, or a clock? And we know that it's a clock. So this is a great way to learn some new shapes. We also have a barbecue bingo, so you can play this with a grown-up or a sibling, and you'll cut out these two here and all of these little foods here, and each player will have a bingo card, and you just have to match the food with what's picked up and what's called. And when you've got all 8 pieces, you shout bingo. We also have some fun coloring activities. You know, the garden gnome. We have a winter Bluey, another picnic family barbecue, and just a maze. For our Bluey activity, pull that back up. So it will have all of this. This is his tail, and you're just gonna color your Bluey. And then you're gonna cut it out. I just cut out the big square and his little tail. And you are just going to glue or tape it. And you can see where to cut it out. You will need a grown-up's help. So this is the part that is going to stick out. The rest is going to wrap around your toilet paper roll. And he'll look like that. But you can color him any way you'd like. And if you want to make it bingo, you can also make him orange. Okay, so today we are going to read 2 Bluey books. Our first Bluey book is Good Night, Fruit Bat. Bluey, Bingo, Mom and Dad are playing Pop-Up Croc. Again, says Bluey when the game ends. No, that's it. Bedtime, Mom replies. Not fair. Bluey doesn't want to go to bed. No. All right, said Dad, following Bluey and Bingo outside. Say goodnight to the animals. Bingo waves. Night, kangaroos. Night, bilbies. Night, fruit bats, says Dad. No, fruit bats don't sleep at night. They're nocturnal, explains Bingo. You mean they don't need to go to bed now? Asks Bluey. No, but you do, says Dad. Bluey wishes she was a fruit bat. But fruit bats don't get to play rocket ship. Dad zooms Bluey and Bingo upstairs to the bathroom. I don't need a shower, complains Bluey. Yeah, you do, you grub, says Dad. Not fair. I bet fruit bats don't have to have showers, says Bluey. But fruit bats don't get to play penguins. Look at me, says Bluey. He slides right down through the bathroom. How cool is that? And they don't get to play the story game. Dad starts reading. She opened the door, but out jumped a huge, hairy... Wake up, the kids squeal. Spider, Dad yells. They laugh until Mom comes in and kisses them goodnight. Not fair. Bluey wants to be a fruit bat, not go to bed. Bluey sneaks downstairs and cheekily asks Mom if she can stay up. What do you think Mom's gonna say? Dad is asleep on the floor, dreaming about playing touch footy. He doesn't get to play much anymore, Mom explains. Why doesn't he get to play it for real life? Asks Bluey. He's busy, sweetheart, working and looking after you two. That doesn't seem very fair. Bluey has an idea. If Dad dreams about footy, maybe she can dream about being a fruit bat. She runs back up to bed. Bluey closes her eyes, and all of a sudden she's soaring high above their house, flapping her arms like a fruit bat. She flies past bedroom windows and sees Mackenzie fast asleep. She gets massively full, eating lots of fruit. Then Bluey hears a familiar voice in the distance. It's Dad playing footy with his mates. Hey, Dad, yells Bluey. Hey, Bluey, you're a fruit bat, says Dad, waving. How is it? It's great, says Bluey. You get to eat a lot of fruit. It looks like Dad is having a lot of fun playing footy. No wonder he misses it. It's time to head home. When Bluey wakes up the next morning, she thinks about Dad. It doesn't seem fair that he doesn't get to play footy for real life, but she's never heard him whine about it, not even once. I had the most amazing dream, Bluey says, walking into the kitchen for breakfast. Dad's doing sit-ups, so he's ready for when he plays footy again one day. Bluey has something to tell him. What do we think it is? Thanks for looking after us, Dad, Bluey says, giving him a hug. You're welcome. How fun is that? That's one of my favorite Bluey stories. All right, friends, so we don't have song lyrics today, but I decided our whole children's department did a little video of the Bluey theme song, so I'm just gonna post that so you can just enjoy it, or you can do the moves with us. All right, friends. Well, hi, friends. Our second book today is Bob Bilby. Hi, my name is Bob. I'm a Bilby. I like making new friends and having fun times with them. Like most Bilbies, I'm not much of a talker. Today I'm going home with Bingo Healer. She seems really nice. I'm already friends with her sister Bluey. I wonder what we'll get up to. At Bingo's house, I showed her family my book. It has photos of all the adventures I've had with my friends. This is Jasper W. He likes Australian rules football. This is me on a trip with Mrs. Terrier. It was cold in Scotland. Look at my yellow karate belt here. Every new friend has their own way to have fun times. Oh, you did a bit of karate, Bob, says Bingo's mom. Wackadoo. I sure did. I learned it when I stayed with my friend Maxie. Yee-haw. Bingo is ready to show me how she has fun times. But first, that sausage roll the big blue guy has looks yum. It does, doesn't it? We play Moo Cow, and Bluey and Bingo show me the tablet. I've never seen one before. It can take pictures. Moo. You can also play games on it. Bingo's mom and dad have tablets too. I wonder if they play games as well. We watch cartoons on the way to the shops. I love watching cartoons. The cartoon characters have so much fun. Don't you want to teach Bob some car games? Asked Bingo's mom. Maybe after the cartoons are finished. At the shops, we watch even more cartoons on an even bigger tablet. So many pretty colors. Bingo's mom watches hockey in the big tablets too. I love hockey. I wonder if Bingo and I will play hockey when we get home. We don't. We watch more cartoons. I think I'm ready to do something else with Bingo now. Our time together is almost over. Kids, I'm putting our photos in Bob Bilby's book, calls Bingo's mom. She's been taking photos all day. But when Bingo looks at the book, she sees the photos are all of me watching cartoons, or all just of me watching cartoons. Bingo gets upset. Bluey seems to understand. Bob just copies everything we do, and all we're doing is really boring stuff, so we need to do some really exciting stuff instead. She takes all their tablets and puts them in a basket. Bingo's mom gets out the bikes. Bingo and I are about to have fun times. Click. The big blue guy takes photos of our adventures. We play at the park and get dizzy going round and round. We ride on Sparkle Mane and pretend she can fly. The fireworks are my favorite thing ever. So many pretty colors. I love my friend Bingo. Back at kindergarten, Bingo and I tell the class about our fun times together and show them the new photos in my book. Then it's time for me to have an adventure with Missy. I'm going to miss Bingo. I hope she knows how happy I am that we're friends. She seems upset again. I want to tell Bingo that I had so much fun with her and I can't wait to see her again. But I'm not much of a talker. That's it, friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed your Bluey stories, and if you make your little Bluey craft, please bring it in. I'd love to see the colors you used. Bye, friends.